JPT mission, leading optical technology for people. JPT vision, to be global outstanding solution provider of lasers. Light leads human see the world, and human beings change the world with lasers. JPT spent more than 10 years to become a company well known as the first manufacturer of MOPA fiber lasers in China, the provider of high precision and accuracy equipment in photoelectric inspection and laser processing fields. JPT products have been widely used for laser microprocessing and optical inspections. The application fields include consumer electronics, SMD, semiconductor, new energy, automotive, aerospace, etc. JPT has a diverse series of laser products, including fiber lasers, solid-state lasers, and semiconductor lasers, covering wavelength from UV, green to IR. JPT produces pulsed lasers, CW lasers, and QCW lasers, and offers sufficient power sources for advanced manufacturing. JPT's years of continuous innovation have brought fruitful results. National High-Tech Enterprise, High-Power Fiber Laser Engineering Technology Research Center of Guangdong Province, the base of postdoctoral innovation and practice, the key project Peacock Plan supporter, Shenzhen Science and Technology Progress Award, Shenzhen Patent Award. The vast creation of intellectual property is a manifestation of JPT's creativity and innovation. On the 31st of October 2019, JPT went public in success, a testament to the achievement. Stock code 688025. Perceive the world with light, touch the world with lasers. Based on independent patented technologies, JPT has developed various types of laser sources and intelligent optical equipment, which meet the industrial demands of high-precision measurement and manufacturing. The MOPA fiber lasers have good reputations for the excellent output performance and turntable pulse width. Self-developed technologies such as laser and optics, test and measurement, motion control and automation, machine vision have reinforced the foundations for semiconductor microprocessing equipment development. JPT has built an advanced optical measurement center with self-developed intelligent equipment. All the equipment have been calibrated and certified by the Singapore National Metrology Center, NMC, and all the testing results are NIST traceable and recognized worldwide. Creating miracles with light and creating values for customers is the driving force of JPT's development. JPT products and services cover Asia, North America, and Europe, help customers achieve their goals. JPT has transformed from a product and service provider to a total solution provider. JPT has already established long-term cooperative relationships with domestic and foreign well-known companies, including Yageo, ST, AMS, Hans Laser, United Winners, TT. People-oriented science and technology, a talented and robust team, is the main driver for JPT's innovation and development. JPT is being led by the R&D team. Team members here include many PhDs and masters from famous global universities and research institutes.
13年来，我们始终坚持人才为本，始终坚持天下最难的事。 最成功的信念，舍得花时间和金钱在研发和创新上，用心去服务好我们的价值客户，在成就客户的同时，成就自己。
Laser is the dream of JPT people, is what JPT works hard for continuously. To be globally outstanding solution provider of lasers, optical precision inspection, and laser processing intelligent equipment, JPT.